In today's video, I'll show you how to create Google Tag Manager account. So when you type in tagmanager.google.com, you should find yourself on this page. Make sure that you're logged in with the correct Google account. Now, the thing is, right now I already have an account created and I have a standing invitation. So invitation is a section where you get invitations from other people who want to give you access to their Google Tag Manager account. So essentially just click here and click accept and you'll get access to their accounts. Now let me create a new account, add a company name, and your company name or anything will do. Select the country. Let me just select Serbia in my case. Then you add your website URL. So yeah, without HTTPS in front of it. Then select web container. In cases where you need to set up server-side tracking, in addition to creating a web container, you would also need to create a server container. I'm not going to do that right now. Let me just click create, accept terms and services, and that's it. The account is created. Now, here is where you'll get the tracking code. So the first section is the code that needs to be added in the head of your website, and the second one in the body. This one is for the websites that don't have JavaScript allowed, so it's not really mandatory, but it's a best case to use it. So let me just add this quickly on my website, just so we can do a test. Okay, and also this code. And yep, click OK here. Now, in cases where you don't have Google Tag Manager added to the website, when you click preview, this tag assistant will be empty and you will not be able to connect your Google Tag Manager to your website. In my case, it should work. So let's give it a second. Yes. So if it didn't work, you wouldn't be able to do this. Also, as you can see, I have Tag Manager in one tab, Tag Assistant in another one, and then the website in a third tab. If you are not using Chrome and if you're not using Tag Assistant Chrome extension, you will not be able to do this. So Chrome Tag Assistant. So you should install, Tag Assistant Companion. You should install this Chrome extension in order for you to be able to have all three of those in the same browser. If you don't have it, the website will be in a totally different browser. Still workable, but a little bit more messy. Yeah, so that's it in regards of installing this. So yeah, just to give you a few pointers, if you have a WordPress website, you can install this directly in the code or use a plugin for Google Tag Manager. In that case, you'll probably be able to use only the Tag Manager ID. For Shopify, you'll probably need to add it through Shopify customer events. And yeah, all the websites have option to add this code in the head and body section. So yeah, now we are ready to set up conversion tracking. Thanks for your time. Have a great day. Bye bye.